California. The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning for western San Bernardino County in Southern California until 6:15 p.m. PDT. At 3:05 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of low-water crossings, creeks, normally dry washes and roads. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Barstow, Daggett, Campground, Newberry Springs, Nebo Center, and Lenwood. This includes the following highways: Interstate 15 in California between mile markers 81 and 95. Interstate 40 in California between mile markers 1 and 21. Now for the official National Weather Service highways. Interstate 15 in California between mile markers 81 and 95. Interstate 40 in California between mile markers 1 and 21.